Okay, so the vid cut off, and I did cover the stems with a little more soil and watered it. I did find a little sunflower baby that I accidentally buried, and long as the first line of my fingertip, about 1 inch. But I did cover her stem in soil. So back to what I was saying. No more late evening watering. I was advised to water early in the morning. And look at this. I forgot that we put our tulip bulbs in the soil and they are starting to grow. But she told me that, if you water it early in the morning, it gives it time to absorb and dry up, thus preventing like the fungus and mildew. So, look at that tulip bulb, not even covered up. So yeah, I was out here earlier before the sun. Oh, I'll get it off. Before the sun came out, but now she has risen. Strawberry's still doing good. I like the stem standing. I feel like they're supposed to be hanging off because the videos I see them hanging off. But honestly, it looks like the weeds that I left in here to attract the pollinators, it looks like they're the ones really thriving in this pot. Now the other strawberry pot without the weeds, oh, here's one popping up. Listen, if not this year, I'll get a little kit from the Dollar Tree, strawberry kit. And then back over here, I was able to cover them with more soil. Also, I need more soil on this little baby because her stem is curling and curving. I did put more soil around these, and I do need to water it. Lord, just pray, y'all. They gonna survive. And look, so remember the spring flowers that I planted? I see some greenery. Look at that. So I do see some of them popping up.